A very big hello to all my dear ones. How are you, my lovely children? I hope you all are fine and spending quality time with your family. I am Prerna ma'am. Yesterday I taught you number names 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's revise them once again. Number 1, O N E 1, O N E 1. 1 net, 1 flag, 1 cat, 1 chair, 1 mug. Number 2, T W O 2, T W O 2. 2 dogs, 2 bats, 2 books, 2 cups, 2 frogs. Number 3, T H R E E 3, T H R E E 3. 3 cars, 3 flowers, 3 pens, 3 rabbits, 3 stars. Number 4, F O U R 4, F O U R 4. 4 caps, 4 apples, 4 balls, 4 birds, 4 clocks. Now we will write the number names. Today's date is 24.11.20. Now we have to write the heading. Our heading is number names. First we have to make capital N. Rest of the letters are small. U, M, B, E, R. Number. Now leave one finger space and write names. Capital N, small a, M, E, S. Number names. Now we have to draw the lines. For first line we have to leave 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I will draw a line. Now from here I have to leave 11 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here I will draw a sleeping line. Let's write number 1. First we have to leave the first box and then put a dot in this second box. Then we will write 1 and then dash in another box and then we will write the name O N E 1. Next number is 2. For writing 2, we have to leave first box, then put a dot in second box after this line and Then we have to write number 2, then dash, then we'll write the name. T W O 2. Next number is 3. We have to leave one box after this sleeping line. Then put a dot in second box and then we will write number 3. Then dash. Then its name. T H R E E 3. Next number is 4. We have to write number 4 after this standing line. Here we have a sleeping line. First we will leave one box, then we will put a dot in second box and then write number 4. Then dash and then its name. F O U R 4. Children, you have to write like this and complete the page. Now it's time for activity. This is an interesting activity of number names. In this activity, we have 4 numbers with specific colors. Like color of number 1 is green, number 2 is purple, number 3 is pink and number 4 is yellow. In this activity, we have to read the number names which are written in the balloons and color them according to their number. Let's start. First number name is T H R E E 3. What is the color of number 3? It is pink. So we will fill this pink color in the balloon. Next number name is ONE 1. Color of 1 is green. So we will fill this green color in the balloon. Next number name is THREE 3. Color of 3 is pink. So we will fill this pink color in the balloon. Next number name is FOUR 4. Color of 4 is yellow. So we will fill yellow color. Next number name is TWO 2. Color of 2 is purple. So I will fill purple in this. Next number name is ONE 1. Color of 1 is green. So I will fill green color in this. Next number name is FOUR 4. Color of 4 is yellow. So I will fill this yellow color in the balloon. Next number name is THREE, 3. Color of 3 is pink. So, I will fill this pink color in the balloon. Next number name is TWO, 2. Color of 2 is purple. So I will fill this purple color. Hope you enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye-bye.